how to download JioCinema on LG TV. So if you want to download the JioCinema on LG TV, all you have to do is, first of all, once you're on the home page of the LG TV OS, this is the kind of interface that you will see. Now from the bottom you'll find this option that says App Store and so on. So here you'll find this option that says Apps. So obviously you want to simply go to this Apps section to search for the app. Once you're here, what you want to do is, from the very top right hand side of the screen, you'll find the search icon there. So you can go to the search icon after you open your App Store, as you can see from the very top, and from the search icon you simply want to go ahead and then search for the JioCinema application. Now in my case, I actually have already downloaded the JioCinema app, but if you haven't, then you'll find the search result over there and you'll find the option to install it as well. So here you can simply see the JioCinema app. You can just hit the install button if you haven't downloaded it already. If you have, then you can just go ahead and open it. And by the way, to download the JioCinema app, you need to make sure to log into your LG TV account. Without logging into an account, you can download apps. So I hope that this video helped you. If you have got any more questions, feel free to also leave them down in the comment section below. As always, thank you very much for watching and see you soon in the next video.